Good morning, viewers. I'm Pinaki, and welcome to my channel FinTech Logics. Today's topic is banking products for a retail bank. This is actually extension of my previous video for major players in banking. If you have not seen, I will definitely link the video. Let's begin. Please like, share, and subscribe. Uh, Retail bank is nothing but a customer facing bank. Now we need to understand the customers approaching the retail bank and the associated products. Then it will make more sense. Uh, Now, who approaches a retail bank? Uh, if you see, uh, so it can be individuals like you and me, salaried segment, maybe we can call them. It can be small businesses, like let's say shop owners, small service providers, etc. Corporates like companies, or we can call them employers, HNIs, which are high net worth individuals, institutional investors. It can be government entities also, and not for profit or NGOs as well, right? Uh, to keep the video short, I, I will focus on individuals and HNIs in this video. I'll give a comparative view of other customers in my next videos. The first product line in this category is accounts. So under accounts, we have savings account and current accounts. Now, current account is something that is not that common for individuals. Primarily, HNIs can use it. Uh, in the next segment, we have fixed income category. Uh, so these cover various types of deposits, like let's say you can call it as fixed deposits, term deposits, you can call recurring deposits, demand deposits. There are different names that we call, but all of these are deposits. It also has bonds, right? So bonds can be either government bonds or company bonds. The next category, or probably the biggest product line offered by banks, are actually uh, the products offered in credit, right? So broadly, under credit or loans, as we call it, these are of multiple types. So secured loan is the first one where we need to give some collateral, right? So examples can be, let's say, home loan, vehicle loans. Now there are complexities involved based on types of collateral. It can be primary collateral or secondary collateral. Well, I'll talk about that in detail in some other videos to keep the video short. Now, unsecured loan is pretty simple, where we do not need a collateral, right? So it can be personal loans or educational loans, um, etc. Right? Uh, Credit cards is also coming under credit. Uh, so this is basically is unsecured loan, but it works little bit different in terms of the disbursements of a loan and the repayments. That's why it is categorized little differently. The next category are market linked products. So in market links, you would have mutual funds or or a demat account that is being created for a customer to deal with buying and selling of shares, right? Other than this, uh, we have value-added product offerings. Um, uh, Money transfer, let's say, to some third parties, or purchasing paper gold or gold coins or physical gold, right? Getting guarantees backed by an existing deposits that a customer has. So all these come under your value-added thing. Additionally, has forex as one of the offerings, so wherein customers get services in terms of buying and selling of foreign exchanges. So the next bundle in this category is payments, where we have bill payments for registered billers. So, for example, electricity bill payment or water or property taxes payment that you would have seen. Recharges, like you must be recharging your prepaid mobile or DTH connections. uh, Prepaid vouchers, which are actually vouchers or cards given based on prepayments by customer and which can be used later as a debit card. So you must have heard about Visa travel cards or ICICI gift vouchers. So these fall under this category. The next category here is insurance, where we give different types of insurances. Banks provide different kinds of insurances to their customers. Uh, the last one in this category is called as hybrid. So this is uh, the most innovative product offering, where banks bundle various cross-functional products. To give few example, let's say you would say accounts with overdraft facility, right? So where you can draw amount up to certain level above your balance. Definitely, you would have to pay it back within the within some time as per terms and conditions. Another example can be loans backed by deposits, right? So you have a deposit and you get a loans against that. Insurance come investment plan is quite common here, like ULIPs you would have heard about. Then the most familiar one that everybody comes across is probably when you go and open a savings account, the banks will give you a credit card bundled with that. They will say that, okay, this is already pre-approved based in your savings bank account. Uh, Now, as we have seen all these products offering of individual, HNIs also avail the same products uh, with some privileges that they get uh, in terms of the ability to withdraw probably more than certain number of times, or the preferential treatment in terms of the the number of leaps in your check, like that, right? Most differential product, if you want to differentiate between HNI and individuals, the most differential products are current account and guarantees, probably, I would say. Uh, Now, under these products, as we saw all these products, now under these products, there are multiple services also which are also bundled with that. So, for example, providing statements for savings or current account, or issuing checks, or renewing your insurance. Most importantly, if you see claim settlement process under an insurance, etc. Right? So these are a lot of bundled services which come under each of these products. Now, how these services should be provided, uh, that depends on the customer category. Okay. Now, as we talked about all these products, now these can be offered uh, through any of the channels or modes. So I thought I will cover that topic, how these products are offered, right? Um, Example is either, let's say you can withdraw money in ATM or branch, right? So ATM is one channel and branch is another channel. Now, you can put your trades, right? Your buy and sell of shares either through your mobile app or through telecalling channel, right? So your telecalling is one channel and your mobile app is one more channel, right? Uh, but the last two, if you see now in this age of digitization, uh, you would hear a lot about embedded channel. Uh, let's say you are making a payment to a taxi driver through Uber app without opening your bank or Paytm apps, right? There is a lot of modernization actually happening in this space, taking the advantage of uh, PaaS or SaaS, platform as a service or software as a service, right? In terms of embedded finance, I'll definitely make another detailed video on this topic because this is a very large and extended topic. The last one, um, another growing channel in this era is social media channel, where a payment or a account information can be used via social channels like Facebook and all to utilize your banking product and service offerings. Well, this is pretty much what I wanted to cover in this video. In my next videos, I will go into the depth of each of these products for other customer segments. We will also do a deep dive into the value stream mapping of each of these product value chain offered by the banking or fintech players. Hope you liked my video. Please drop me a comment or email if you have any clarifications. Do like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notifications on my new videos. Thanks a lot.